If you watched my last video, you might have a bit of deja vu at this point. What? Ugh. Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to be unboxing a NYX mystery beauty box. The one I've chosen for this video is a bath and body mystery box. If you watched my last video or the video before, I'm not sure what order these will go up in. I'm filming quite a little batch of videos here. If you watched my last one, it was the Beauty Archive mystery box, and this one was a definite letdown. It wasn't fantastic. So let's see if this is any better. Fingers crossed it is. It's a larger box. I would have thought it would be, considering it's bath and body, but hopefully it's got some good stuff in there. Are they taking the piss? Are they taking the actual piss? If you watched my last video, you might have a bit of deja vu at this point. Rituals, relaxing body scrub, salt and magnesium. That's what was in the other bloody box. You're taking the mickey. Is this one half full as well? Let's have a look. The other one was half full. Oh, I probably shouldn't open it. I'm not opening it. No, we'll leave it in there. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it. So I've got two on the go. That's naff. Why would you put the same thing in the box? Like, knowing that if people enjoy beauty care and makeup and body all in one, that they're not going to buy multiple boxes. Why would you want two of them? Okay. What? Is this a piss take? My Expert Midwife Mega Calm Massage Balm. From baby to newborn. I mean, I have got a child, a toddler, he can use this, but what if you don't have children, you've no interest? I mean, I suppose you can still use it, but no, you can't. It says using a small amount, work over baby's body for a calming and bonding massage. Are they taking absolute royal piss? This is what it is. I mean, I will use this for Rudy, I will. But if you didn't have a child, you'd think you'd be... I'm pissed off and I've got a child. If you didn't have one, you'd be like, well, why is this in here? It looks all right. And then it looks to be a nice, thick sort of consistency. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's actually quite nice. It's like a balm to oil. Can you see? That'll be nice and nourishing on him. I am running low on lotion for him, so that will come in handy for me. But like I said, if you don't have a child, that's probably going to be of no interest to you. How do you pronounce that? Ameliorate Intensive Foot Therapy. It's a nourishing foot cream. I do enjoy a foot. Well, I find a foot cream. I have to have a foot cream at night. Like, I'm weird. I can't go to sleep unless my feet are like heavily lathered in moisturiser and like really slippy and thick, and I don't know. I just can't go to sleep with like horrible, dry, claggy, horrible feet. So I will use this, but it's not the most thrilling product to get, I will say. Nice thick cream, so that will be all right. But again, a foot cream isn't like the most thrilling item to get in a bath and body box. I don't like this. Am I being a moaner for no reason? Or like, okay, so the last two things, we've got a Rituals again, another Rituals product, the Ritual of Sakura. And it's a magic touch body cream, so it's rose milk and cherry blossom. I don't really care for Sakura scents, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Oh, that's quite pleasant. That's not too bad. It's not as floral. It's a bit more like fruity cherry-ish. That's quite nice. What did I say it was? A body cream. That's all right. We like that. Then this again is a bit shit. So you've got a Bloom and Blossom age defying hand cream. Like hand cream and foot cream. We've got 4 creams. You've got a hand cream, a foot cream, a baby cream, and what else was there? A Sakura cream. Right, so this is the Bloom and Blossom. Blossom and, yeah, Bloom and Blossom hand cream. Or has this got a seal on? Ugh. What? It smells like bonfire. Oh shit. Oh, I've done too much. Oh. I mean, I'm gonna use it obviously. Smells like somebody's lit a fire. The smoke smell. Smoky. I mean, I will use it. I'll pop it in my nightstand and it will get used, but it's not very nice. Oh, I feel like a right whinge bag, but like these are really not great, I don't think. It's just me that thinks these are rubbish. £18 each. I don't know if I said that at the beginning. In the last video I mentioned that they were 18. The last box was awful. You can go watch that video. This I don't think is great either. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Am I being dramatic? I don't think it's very good at all. Why would I want a baby balm? You don't know that I've got a baby. Why would I want 4 creams and a hand and foot cream? Like, but like a shower gel would have been nice, or like some bath salts or something, you know? No. And then 2 of the same scrub in each box that you know probably people would order both. Don't like that. I don't know. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions on that. Am I being too mean? Probably, I don't know. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video nonetheless, and I'll see you soon. Bye.